This material's very hard to file. I try to keep the reference by filing this way. It was quite bad. You'll hear that, how that's sliding off. I don't know whether that's just due to the way it was cast. Maybe it was a cold surface, it hardened it up. Not really sure. I don't know much about this material. It's very hard to file, but it's looking much better now. I mean, it'll go flat and put it on the sander, put it on some sanding paper and sand that. Certainly looks better. I've done these, they're razor sharp. Need to round those over. And some of this plating's coming off, and that's adding a bit of sharpness to it as well. I mean, your hand's going to be moving around these areas, so a little bit of prep here, clean this up. That's pretty smooth. It's pretty smooth there. It's just these edges are sharp, and I'll finish them off